got the XT Marlin over here. We're going to try to take a few pot shots across the road. Then we're going to try to do it as fast as we can. Alright, now we're going to try to go a little quicker. We're going to see what we can do. Bolt action.